Introducing the TRUFAST TruBond Induction Weld system, the smarter, faster, and non-penetrating way to attach single-ply membranes. The TruBond system bonds membranes directly to the Trufast Induction Weld plate, creating a secure, long-lasting attachment without penetrating the membrane. Approved for steel, wood, and structural concrete decks, induction weld plates install with Trufast number 14 HD, number 15 EHD, or number 12 Purlin Fasteners. Its lightweight backpack design offers unbeatable portability, improved ergonomics, and reduced operator fatigue. With a compact weld head for perfect plate alignment, a single-piece long handle for rooftop work, and a short handle for parapet walls, you're ready for any job. The large, easy-to-read touchscreen makes setup simple, while built-in fault detection ensures every weld is perfect. Your TruBond induction weld system isn't complete without heat sinks. Each kit includes 8 heat sink magnets with interchangeable handles for roofing and parapet wall applications. The Trufast TruBond Induction Weld system, strong, efficient, built for the real world.